A 4-day workshop focused on enhancing the skills of agro-food processors in Region 4 has concluded. The Southeast Coast Projects Initiative provided training to 20 participants in crucial areas including food safety, sanitation and hygiene, food business fundamentals, and sustainability practices.
You are the foundation of our island, of our country, and we need you all because you all are the ones that are feeding the nation, right? So in any way that we can help you improve on your operations to make it better, not just for yourselves in boosting your profitability, but also for our communities and our environment. This workshop will definitely allow the participants to be able to improve on their business operations by helping them incorporate sustainability. We looked at how they can focus on improving the lives of persons in their community through their businesses, as well as contributing to the betterment of the environment through their businesses by using more organic foods and eco-friendly packaging for their products, and even collaborating and working together with each other in the community to improve the value added to their products.
Organizers stressed that food safety begins with healthy ecosystems. The workshop emphasized the importance of sustainable practices, including improving community well-being and environmental protection through the use of organic foods and eco-friendly packaging.
As we embrace this responsibility, we must also recognize a deeper truth. Food safety does not start in the processing room. It begins in the fields, in the waters, in the very ecosystems that sustain our agricultural industry. Ecosystems are like our lifeblood of agriculture. You must have healthy soils, clean water sources, thriving biodiversity, and they are all unseen forces that determine the quality of the raw materials. The future of agro-processing depends on how we treat the natural world today. As processors, we have the power to lead by example, demonstrating that food production and environmental protection can coexist harmoniously. So today, as we celebrate your achievements, let us also make a commitment. We want to honor the land that feeds us, to preserve the ecosystems that sustain us, and to uphold the integrity of agro-processing for generations to come. Together through knowledge, innovation, and responsibility, we can build a stronger, safer, and more sustainable future.
Participants said that the workshop provided valuable insights for improving their businesses.
It do for me because there are certain things I did not really know. So now I know I have to put my business in check. There are, I know I have to use a lot of local product where I have to, not to misuse, but to use whatever I have so that I don't have to import, but I can use all my accessory down here. I could, it is organic, there is no preservative. So it is what the people are looking for. Things without preservative, that they can live healthy and that they can take care of their own self instead of bringing what that is unhealthy to them.
It was a very educational program. It helped me understand better what I wasn't doing and what I'm supposed to do in terms of bettering my business, right? And how it also helped me understand the value of customers, food preservation, and stuff like that.
The Southeast Coast Project aims to support the growth of the agro-processing sector by equipping local businesses with the knowledge and tools to thrive. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.